Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable YouTube playback, and even that is without any ads. Means you can play all the videos without any ad in between. Okay, for this you have to install an browser by name Brave. It is built on top of Chrome. Okay, so once you have installed it, open it, navigate to settings, then go to controls, background video playback, then enable it. So once you have enabled it, you will be able to play YouTube in background. Means even when you enable the screen lock, you will be able to play the YouTube videos. Okay, and one more best thing about Brave is it avoids all the unnecessary ads for you in the web pages, so you can browse easily. Thank you for watching.